In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make italics in Adobe Illustrator CC. Whether you're working on a creative design, preparing a presentation, or simply exploring Adobe Illustrator's powerful features, knowing how to italicize your text can add that extra flair to your projects. Let's dive right in and walk through each step to make this happen. First things first, you'll want to open Adobe Illustrator. You can do this by finding the app icon on your desktop or searching for it in your programs list. Once you have Illustrator open, it's time to either create a new file or open an existing one. If you're starting a new project, click on File in the top menu, then select New. If you're working with a project you've already begun, simply head to File and then Open to continue where you left off. Now that we have our file ready, let's focus on the text. You'll need to select the Type tool. This can be done easily by either clicking the T icon in the toolbar on the left or by simply pressing the letter T on your keyboard. With the Type tool activated, go ahead and either start typing your text if it's a new project, or click on the text you want to modify if it's already there. Next, go ahead and highlight the text that you'd like to italicize. You can do this by clicking and dragging the cursor over the text, or by double-clicking on the section you want to transform. This step ensures the changes we make will only affect the selected text segment. Now that we've highlighted the text, keep an eye on the right-hand side of the screen. This is where the Properties panel resides. This panel is your best friend when making adjustments to text and other elements in Illustrator. You'll notice a variety of options here that allow you to tweak text formatting and more. Within this Properties panel, look for the Font Style drop-down menu. It's usually located under the Character section. Click on it to see a list of the available font styles. If you haven't used this feature before, it's essentially a menu that allows you to select different styles for your font, such as bold, italic, or regular. Finally, from this drop-down menu, choose italic. And just like that, your text should now appear in italics. This simple transformation can significantly enhance the aesthetic of your textual elements, giving them a dynamic and engaging look. That's all there is to it. You've successfully italicized text in Adobe Illustrator CC. With this skill in hand, you can incorporate the angled text in any of your creative works, adding style and emphasis where needed. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.